We are learning to use a bubble map plan to guide our writing. This bubble map will help the writer plan about their holidays. We can see that this bubble map has 4 different ideas that will help plan our writing. What happened in the holidays? Who was involved? Where did this happen? And when did this happen? We can use key words or draw pictures inside of our bubbles to help us plan our ideas. Let's look at an example. In the holidays, I had an operation on my leg. I can use key words like operation and leg in my what bubble. I can draw a picture or use another keyword to tell me where I had my operation done. Once I have finished writing down all of my ideas inside the bubbles, I can begin writing. When I am writing, I can look back at the ideas that I wrote down inside my bubbles. This will let me know that I have used all of my ideas in my writing. In my holidays, I had to have an operation on my leg. This happened to me on Friday morning at the hospital. After my operation, my mum had to drive me home because I wasn't allowed to drive. Not all bubble maps are the same. This bubble map is about our Term 4 goals. These bubbles include a classroom goal, how we might achieve our classroom goal, a playground goal, and how we might achieve our playground goal. It is important to write down our ideas so that when we write, we do not leave anything out.